Hey yo, what's up guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of Jazz Lesson, okay? So for today, I still want to continue with the jazz series, okay? Many of you have been telling me, asking me how you need more jazz chord, okay? So for today, I'm going to do more jazz lesson, okay? Jazz chord for you guys. In the previous video, I made a 251 jazz chord, okay? How to have a 251 and how to have a jazz chord, okay? How jazz chord are being formed and how jazz chord are sounds, okay? So if you didn't watch the video, I'd like you to go to my previous video and watch it. It's gonna help you, okay? Alright guys, so before I continue, if the first time you're watching my video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Then turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, okay? Alright guys, if you like the video, smash the like button. If you have any challenges, you can drop it in the comment section. I will really appreciate it, okay? Alright, without wasting much of the time, I'd like us to go into the video. Okay, so the first chord I'm going to show you is the E minor 7. Okay, the E minor 7. The second chord is the A7. Okay, and the third chord there is the D major 7. Okay, the fourth chord is a G major 7. The G major 7. The fifth chord is the C sharp minor 7 flat 5. Then go to the F sharp 7 sharp 5. Then you go to the B minor 7. Okay, get to the B minor 7 now. So the first chord there is a E. So I'm playing the key of the song is on the key of G. Okay, the key of the song is the key of G. Okay, this is the key of G. Okay. Okay, so the song is from La. Okay. Re, so, do. Okay. Fi, ti. Okay. And go to ti, mi. Okay. That is 6. The sixth chord, or the sixth note, goes to the re. That is the 2 notes. Okay. Now coming to the saw, which is the 5th note. Okay. Now going to the 1 note, which is the do. Now playing the flat. Okay, the flat 5th or the sharp 4. The flat 5th or the sharp 4. Okay. Now going to the 7th note T. Mi. Going to the 3rd note now in the key of B. Okay. This is the 3rd note. Okay. Now this is La. Okay. So, Re. So, do. Fi. Okay. Ti. Mi. Mi. La. La. Re. So. Do. Okay. Fi. Ti. Mi. Okay. Now, the third chord there is B7, which is Mi. Okay, the same thing. So, but I'm playing the jazzy way, okay? I'm playing the jazzy way. This is the E minor 7. This is the E minor 7. Okay, your first finger on the key of E. Okay, then you take your ring finger to the saw on the 4th string. Okay, then you bar from here. You bar all the notes from here. Then you take your index finger to the second string, the more, which is the flat third there. Okay, which is the flat third there. Okay. That is a E minor 7. Go to the A7 now. Okay, this is the A7. This is the key of A. Okay, use your first finger to bar this the sixth fret. Okay, the sixth fret. You bar this place. Okay, then you use your index finger. Goes to the Mi. Okay, then your ring finger to the saw on the fifth string. Okay, the Mi on the third string. Your ring finger on the saw on the fifth string. Okay, that is your A7 chord. Okay, now going to your D major 7. Okay, why is it major 7? Is because of the T here. Okay, so you just take this ring finger down, okay, to the saw on the fourth string. Then you take your pinky to the second string. That is the Mi. Okay, you just take it downward. That is a D major 7. Okay. Going to your one chord now, the G. You play the same thing, your G major 7. Okay. This is the Do, your ring finger. Okay. On the T. Okay. The ring finger on the T. Your pinky on the Mi. Okay. The same fret on the third string. Then your index finger, you put it on the saw, second string. Okay. So note that forms the major 7th is the one note, the 7th note, the 3rd note, and the 5th note. That is the Do, Ti, Mi, Saw, Do, Ti, Mi, Saw. Okay. From your 1, you go to your Fi. Okay, that is your C sharp minor 7 sharp 5. Okay, or flat 5, C sharp minor 7 flat 5. Okay, this is your key of C sharp. This is the key of C sharp. Okay, this is the key of C sharp. Okay, C sharp, going to your your ring finger, your index finger is on the Do. Okay, the third string there, the Do. Your ring finger on the saw, or on the Z, which is the flat. This is the original saw here. So this is the flat feet. Okay. Then your pinky finger goes to the Mo. Okay. This is the Mi, Mo. Okay. And that is your C sharp minor 7 flat 5. Okay. C sharp minor 7 flat 5. Now going to your T now, T chord, okay, your 7th chord. You play your F sharp 5, okay? F sharp 7 sharp 5, okay? This is your F sharp, and this is your Do, okay? You use your index finger, okay? Then your ring finger on the Mi. Okay, your ring finger on the Mi, and the pinky on the sharp 5, okay, which is the Z, okay, the sharp 5, which is the Z. Okay, now coming down to the Mi, which is the B minor 7. Okay, you play the B minor 7. Okay, normally you should have played like this, but you play the minor, a jazzy way. Okay, this is the B minor 7. The B minor 7 is the Do, So. Okay, this is a B minor on the 5th string here. Okay, you use your ring finger on the saw. Okay, your index finger It goes to the more there, okay? Then your first finger bar from the root, okay? Okay? Then you strum it from the root to the second string, okay? So I hope you understand, okay? So the movement is the chord shape is a la, okay? Re, sol, fi, ti, mi, okay? La, do, sol, do, fi, ti, mi, okay? That is a 6 chord, the 2 chord, the fifth chord, the 1 chord, okay? The sharp 4 or flat 5 chord, okay? The F, okay? Then go to the 7th chord, T, okay? Then goes to the 8th chord, which is the B, okay? This is how it sounds. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to stop for here for now. So by the next video I'm going to show you more chord and how to apply them, okay? So the chord movement, I hope you understand it and you work toward it, okay? Wherever you don't understand, you can drop it in the comment section, then I'll explain it more for you. And if you need a personal lesson one-on-one, okay, I'll drop my number on the screen there. You can chat me on WhatsApp, okay, or you can send an email to me, okay? I would be so much glad, okay, to hear from you guys. So thanks for watching, okay? Like I said earlier, hit the subscribe button if the first time watching my video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video on this channel. Alright guys, hit the like button, okay? That will really appreciate. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.